How to check if you're blocked on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the home feed and click on the magnifying glass like icon at the top right. And then search for the person's username. Make sure it's the real username and search for users. If they are not showing up, that means they have blocked you. Another way what you can also do is go back from here, go to your inbox, and if you have messaged the person before, you can simply click on the chat and try sending the message. And after it's delivered, if they don't reply you for a long time, that means you are blocked and they have not received your message. This is how to check if you're blocked on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.